Here is the 2019 Honda Accord EXL. LED daytime running lights, headlights, and fog lights. Power window, door, and mirror controls. Steering wheel controls to answer your phone. Voice activation controls. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. Nice full-size display. Phone, Bluetooth, smartphone integration for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Dual climate control. Power ports. Econ mode, brake hold, electronic parking brake, additional power ports, moonroof, memory settings for your power seat, lumbar support, spacious back seat, fold down cup holders, all weather floor mats, capless fuel filler, backup camera, all weather floor mat in the cargo tray. All the tools to change your tire out with a spare tire underneath. You also have the 60/40 split for the fold down of the back seats. For whatever you do require additional space for your cargo. This is the 2019 Honda Accord EXL.